Good morning, everybody. So every morning as you start out your day, you're going to start out with our self-start. From 8:40 to 8:50 every morning, you will start with extra math, and then you will move on to Web Minute Math from 8:50 to 9 o'clock. So let me show you kind of how that works. So you're going to come to my website. In your daily schedule, this will be linked. So you're going to click on hatchingnewideas.weebly.com. When it opens up, you are going to bookmark that. So you're going to go to that. That will give you the links to our Web Minute Math. Let me show you what that looks like. When you click on that link, it will bring you to our classroom website. Now make sure you bookmark this because we will be using this website a lot. So click on this website and then you will come to the Emerald City. You will come down here to math. When you click on that, it will bring you here. Now you're going to start with extra math. So click on extra math and it will bring you here. Now for those of you that came on Friday to get your Chromebooks, I gave you a sign-in paper that will give you a PIN number. So you're going to come in here, you're going to sign in. You're going to sign in with your Google account, and then you're going to put your PIN number in, and it will bring you to this page. Make sure that you watch the overview and watch each one of these. So you're going to watch the overview and about the student activities, and then you will get started. So you're going to then you will get started. You only need to work on this for 10 minutes every day. So make sure that you are only spending 10 minutes on this as you're working. Then you're going to come back to our website and you're going to come here to Web Minute Math. Now Web Minute Math does not require a login. It just brings you to this. You're going to practice online, so you'll click there. Every one of you will start with addition. You're going to go from 1 to 12. You're going to practice your ones. So you're going to pick number 1, and you're doing 20 questions in 1 minute. And then you start. And it will show you these, and you just click the answer, and then move to the next one, and click the answer. Move to the next one, click the answer, and you just continue going through this until you're done, and then you check your answer. If you did not get 100%, you have to get 20 out of 20. Do it again. As soon as you get 20 out of 20, show it to your parents, and then they will mark it off on your data book. There is another video on here that shows your parents how to mark it on your data book. Actually, the video will be there tomorrow. It won't be there today. So when you do this morning, just have your mom and dad write down which ones you pass off. So up here at the top right here where it says addition from 1 to 12, have them put addition number 1, addition number 2, addition number 3, whatever you pass off. And you have to have 100% in order to pass it off. So then tomorrow there will be a video for your parents to see how they mark it off in your data book. All right, have fun with this, you guys. Talk to you soon. Oh, wait, there's one more thing that I just remembered. So we're coming back to this. Now, many of you, I talked to you about doing ST Math. They have changed ST Math, and I just found out about this on Friday. So you're going to go to the portal. Now the portal has, you're going to go to portal.graniteschools.org to access this. Once you get in, make sure that you bookmark it, just like we talked about before. Now the portal looks like this. Once you get in there, this is what your portal will look like. Your username is your 9 number. I wrote that down on your card. And then your password is your password that is also written down on that card. The password that you log in to your Chromebooks on. Once you have logged into this, it will bring you up to a screen that looks like this. Now your screen will not look exactly like this, but this one is my screen. So you're going to click up here on the the magnifying glass, and you're going to type in ST Math, and then you click on it, and it will bring you up your little ST Math guide. And so you're going to click on that, and it's going to automatically log you in, so you don't need to worry about logging anything in. Then you'll come into My Class, and you're going to click on this Homeroom Semester 1. Make sure that you are on the 1, not the 2. So you're going to be right here. This will automatically log you in, and then you can start playing ST Math today. Make sure that you are, as you are playing, that you are spending 30 minutes. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. That you are spending 30 minutes from 9 to 9:30 every single day on your ST Math. All right? Guys, have fun with this, and we'll talk to you at 9:30.